Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I'll be showing you how to turn on DRM on Brave browser. So first thing that you will do is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Brave browser into your computer, and now just simply go ahead and select a specific profile. Now guys, over here on the Brave browser, you just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you will have a gear icon at the bottom over here, which is the settings. So go ahead and select on this one. And from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go for the extensions tab on the left side of the screen. Now, you will only have one option over here, which is Widevine. So use Widevine Digital Rights Management or DRM component to view protected streaming video and other content in the browser. So make sure to turn this on. And as you can see down below, in order for you to take an effect on these settings, you just simply select Relaunch Now in order for you to turn on the Widevine, and pretty much that's it. And you should be able to have multiple other options over here that you might want to consider to turn on and filter out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.